is a bigger number, C minus A. Then multiplication A star C. This is the multiplication. There is an increment and decrement, right? What is increment and decrement? You see pre-increment and post-increment. I'll show you. I'll put this here. Plus plus A. Pre-increment this one. Now, after this operation, I'll be just printing the increment into value A. That's it. Increment. Post increment. Post increment means like put plus plus here and print this value after post increment and post increment. Let's execute this one more time and we will see addition 2 plus 3 5, subtraction 3 minus 2 1, multiplication 2 multiplied 3 6, and pre-increment 2 increased value 1 and immediately it will print in a pre-increment, right? After pre-increment that value is a 3, whereas in a post-increment you see I'm not sure it's after post-increment, it's not showing. Get here a little bit. What we have here after post-increment. Just a minute. Okay, run it again. Okay, here you see pre-increment value immediately increased and it print that value immediately on the same line, right? Pre-increment. Whereas a post-increment, it is printing the old value, but in the next line, it is increased value. Difference between pre-increment, value will be increased and immediately available. It won't wait for the next line to be like next iteration to be executed or next time usage. Whereas a post increment, that value will be increased and stored. It cannot be used in the same statement. It will be used for the next statement. That is the difference, pre-increment and post-increment. That's the arithmetic operation. Same thing what you can do, decrement operator, right? Wherever you have a plus, you can do minus minus here. There's a plus symbol is a string concatenation. Okay, don't change this. When you are doing decrement operator work, just replace this plus plus with minus minus. Okay, that's what it is. And then write a program to concatenate string paths into a line. Here what we are doing, bare strings we are concatenating, right? Here bare strings we are concatenating. How do we concatenate effectively with the string builder that I'm going to show? Okay, here we will take another function. Again, public static void String concatenation. So here string builder. String builder. String builder. P dot append first. First statement I'll put tell me and I forget in string builder dot append you can put forget string builder dot append. Here you can put I'm just adding random things, right? So this way, n number of strings you can append into this string builder. When we want to build final string, what we can do, system dot out dot println string from string builder. P dot, there is a method called toString. Use this one that will automatically convert all this into a one string. Let's see how it will print. We'll call this string concatenation here. Since we see these two, I'm not gonna print this. Console is having like two down. String concatenation. Oh, that name always should be starting with small. String concatenation. Okay. Now run this program and see. String from string builder. This is what I gave, right? And then we got all this. Let's see. You put the slash n as you put a slash n out the after this a slash n remaining string will be printed in next line. Okay, it is printing all strings together what we gave and putting it. Here we don't have a space. Let's say you gave a space starting off this. Now you see that space is coming. That's how you can adjust these kind of things. You want to print each one in a separate line, you can append the slash n at the end of each one. You can practice different types in web. You can see when you are searching for this string exercises for beginners, you will get a lot. You can play around and learn more on this one. That is a string concatenation using the string builder. Let's go to next one. Convert a given string to uppercase. Let's say now we got this into smaller letters, right? Dot to uppercase. Use this method. Whole string will be converted to uppercase. Let's run this and see. I'll be clear this one. Is see, everything is converted into capitals. If you want to do lowercase, do lowercase. Run this again. Now converted into lowercase. Right? You can practice more of string operations. What we have functions from Java. You can practice those. Length of the new combined string. So here, this is a new one, right? This is to two lowercase and uppercase. I'll just put here for your hint. When you are practicing, you can see two uppercase and After we combine all these individual strings, what is the length? If you want to see here, length function, it will print the length of the whole string. And this, it will print an integer, total 52 characters. That is the length of this whole string. You can count it later, but yeah, using the length function will be able to print it. Okay, and write a program to convert Roman number to regular number. Okay, we'll take another function. Void convert to regular. Let's just give a simple conversion. You guys can extend this to another level and see what you can do. How many of you know Roman system? I'm not sure. Roman, this I means 1, and then in Roman system V means 5, I think. Yes, and then X means 10, and then yeah, there will be different other Roman numbers, but I'm just taking these 3. Okay, I'm defining a string input is equals to Roman string I V. This is actually for converting this into just a minute. I'm trying to get an example which could okay. IV, that means when we convert this to regular number, we should be getting number 4, right? That should be the output. Okay. So we need to see whenever left side we have a lower number, that would become, if it is X here, value is a 10, right? Left side we have a lesser number, that means like 10 minus 1, 9, this become. Let's say if we have a V, that would become 10 minus 5, 5. So let's take an I, and what I'm doing here, I'll be checking if I need to convert a given string into characters, right? How do we get character? First we will define int result is equals to 0. We are initializing conversion number, that is the result, as it's 0 initially. We have to iterate through each character in this string. When we need to iterate through characters in a string, what we need to do, use a for loop.